Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about ostrich. This bird is the biggest bird in the world that cannot fly. Male ostrich make a loud booming sound to warn other ostriches about danger. Ostriches are tall and weigh a lot. They cannot fly, but they can run faster than any other kind of bird. 44 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. That's speedier than a human runner. And could you name something that go faster than an ostrich and save human machines? An ostrich has two toes, one is tough, strong, and with a long claw that helps the ostrich grip the ground to run fast. An ostrich has such a strong kick, it could kill a lion. How many toes do you have on each foot? How many do you have all together? Facts. Home. Dry open areas in woodland of Africa. Food. Grass, seeds, leaves, flowers, fruits and roots. Eggs. White up till 11 at a time. Chicks. Predicted to live nest at 3 days old. Fragile about 4 months. Ostriches have the largest eye of any land animal. One ostrich eye is almost big as a baseball. About 24 chicks could fit inside one ostrich egg. An ostrich nest can scrape an area on the ground. An ostrich lives in flocks, say nest. One nest can have as many as 60 eggs in it. Ostrich is in the one of the groups similar called ranks. Here are other types of ranks. The second heaviest bird in the world, the southern crossberry, which lives in Australia, New Guinea and one island in Indonesia. There are 2 species of crossberries. The emu is the largest bird in Australia. Kiwis are only found in New Zealand. There are 5 species of kiwis. The great rhea is the largest bird in North and South America. There are 2 species of rheas. Thank you for watching this video till the end. More such informative video, stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel, EagleEyeFamily. Thank you.